Good morning, dear students. My name is Shashank Varma, and today I am going to discuss Chapter 4 Basic Geometrical Ideas. So, concept I given you, and today we will discuss about some exercises. So, here, exercise 4.1, question number 1, use the figure to name 5 points. अब yesterday, in previous video, I explained everything. Points, line, ray, line segment. So today we will practice the question. Now what is given? 5 points. Clear students? So here you can see D, E, O, B, C. All are what? Points. Clear students? So you can write down D, E, O, C and B. Clear students? They are your points. Clear? This is not necessary कि you write first D. You can also write first O, C, B, anything you can write down. So they are your 5 points. Now line. अब yesterday मतलब in previous video I explained you what is the line. Line means no fixed point. मतलब no fixed point. You can extend the line in any direction. So here one you have to only write down. So one I am writing here, other one you will find out yourself. So if you will talk about D, B. So D and B, you can extend D this side and extend B this side. So DB you can write down line segment. Line DB. This is your sign. Clear? Line means you can extend and no fixed point. Now you have to find out 4 rays. Clear students? Ray means what? Having one end point, means one point is fixed. Clear? So many rays are given in the figure, but here I am writing some. So O, D you can write down first ray. Clear students? OD first ray. O D. O is fixed but D is not fixed. Clear? Now what other you can write down? OB you can write down. In OB, O is fixed, B you can extend. And what you can write down? Similarly, OC you can write down. Clear? Another what you can write down? OE, because O is fixed. Here you can see O is fixed and E is not fixed. You can write down OE. Other also you can write down. So you will find out yourself. Now 5 line segment. अब line segment means student, line segment is what? Both मतलब means both end points are given. यानी what? This is different from line. तो line segment means both end points are fixed. Means you cannot extend in any direction. Clear? So line segment you can write down DE. You can write down DE is a line segment. Clear students? So the sign of line segment is means both end are fixed. Clear? Or what you can write down? OE also you can write down. Achha, one question I think you want to ask, O is also here ray and O is also here line segment. How both are same? So student, here OE I am written. So here what is the symbol? This symbol I using. So this is the symbol of ray. But if you will use this symbol, so this symbol is the symbol of line segment. Clear student? So OE may be ray and may be the line segment. Now next what you can write down? OB also you can write down. अब here if you will write down like this, means both end are fixed. So you can say this is the line segment. But OB if you will write like this, so it means you can write down here ray. Now next what you can write down? OC you can write down same as, but the sign will be like this. And what you can write down? B also you can write down B E. Clear, students? I think this is clear. What is the difference? Only difference of this indication. Clear? Now next thing is, name the line given in all possible ways. Clear, students? So first we have to take one single point. So choose A first time. So from A, what you can write down? A, B you can write down. Clear, students? We have to write down what? All possible lines. So this one sign. फिर what you can write down? A, C. This sign. Another what you can write down? A, D. Another this type of sign. Now A completed everything. Now choose B. Now B, A you can write down. All possible you have to write down. Next you can write down what? B, C. Clear, students? Now next what you can write down? B, D. Clear? Now B completed, come on C. So C, D. First is C, D. Clear, student? Next is what? C, B. Now next is C, A. Clear? So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now CA is done. Now come on D. So you can write down what? D, C. Next is D, B. Next is D, A. Clear, students? So if you will count, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 possible ways. Clear, students? So this is your second question. Now come on, question number third. How many lines can pass through one given point? So students, if one given point is given, clear? If this is a given point, so how many line you can draw? Clear? So I think you know this, how many line you can draw. If you will draw, so first line you can draw like that. Second line you can draw like that. The third line, how you can draw? Like that. Fourth line. Again you can draw many line. So what is the conclusion of this? From one given point we can draw infinite lines. Clear, students? Because here you can draw so many lines. Now two given point, let us assume here one point is given and here another point is given. Clear? So if 2 points are given, students, so how you can draw the line? You will draw like that. Clear? So how many line you can draw? Only one line you can draw, students. Clear? If 2 points are given like that, so again how many line you can draw? Here you can see clearly only one line you can draw. So 2 given point, only one line can be drawn. Clear, students? Now come on, next exercise. Now student, come on, question number 5. Draw a rough figure. First, point P lies on AB. So student, here AB is given, this sign is given, it means 2 fixed points are given. Clear? So how you will draw? You will draw 2 fixed points here. Now point P lies on AB. So mark this one is A, this one is B, or what is given? Point P lies on. So on means you can write down anywhere. Only on line. So this is your P. Clear, students? Now student, our next question is, now student, the second question is XY and PQ intersect at M. Clear, student? So how you will make this? XY and PQ. Clear, students? So first, intersect means they will intersect to each other. You can form like this. So here you can write down XY and PQ. So here you write down X, Y, P, Q. Clear, students? And intersect at M. Yani the meeting point is M. Clear, students? Now the next question is, line L contains E and F but not D. Clear, students? So first we will draw a line. First we will draw a line. You can draw a line like that. Line L, you can give name L, containing this is line L containing E and F. So E and F you can mark here, E, F. But what is given? But not D. Yani D anywhere outside. Here also you can mark D here, here. It depend on you. Now OP and OQ meet at O. Clear, students? So how you will draw this? This is like this intersecting line. So you can draw like that. Clear, students? So here you write down OP and OQ meet at O. So here O should be there, P you can write down, and OQ. Now you can see OP and OQ meet at O. Clear, student? So by this you can draw the line. Clear, students? Here students, P and Q you will write down like P and this is Q. Clear, students? Now next question is, illustrate if possible with rough diagram. This is exercise 4.2. A closed curve that is not a polygon. Clear, student? So you know that curve means any diagram you will make. This is a curve. Clear? This is a closed curve. Any diagram you can make. Tick. And that is not polygon. So you know that this is a curve and polygon is made up of entirely line segment. But this this is only curve. So this is a closed curve and not a polygon. Now next is an open curve made up of entirely line segment. So student, you know that open curve made up of entirely line segment. So you know that line segment, this is a line segment. And if you write down like this, draw a figure like this, so this is an open curve made up of line segment. Another what you can draw, this is also you can draw like this. Many shape you can draw, it depend on you. This is open curve made up of entirely line segment. Open means this is, you can see this is open, this is also open. Now next is given a polygon with two sides. So student, you know that if you draw a polygon, so this is a polygon, you can say. Clear? If you draw a square, this is a polygon also. If you draw a rectangle, this is also a polygon. So you can see here polygon have minimum 3 sides and here 4 side. So polygon having minimum 3 sides. So a polygon with 2 sides means it is not possible. What? It is not possible that polygon have 2 sides. Polygon have minimum 3 sides. So here only you have to draw with 2 sides. So it is not possible. Clear, students? Now Now students, come on exercise 4.5, because 3 and 4.3 and 4 are very easy. You can solve. I explain everything. This question is given. Draw a rough sketch of quadrilateral PQRS. Draw its diagonals. Name them. Is the meeting point of the diagonal in the interior or exterior of the quadrilateral? So first thing, we will draw a quadrilateral. First we will draw a quadrilateral. So quadrilateral you can draw yourself. Square, rectangle, anything. There I am drawing. Not a square, not a rectangle. Only a simple quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means having four sides. It is not mentioned you have to draw the square, rectangle or anything else. ठीक है ना? So this is our quadrilateral having four sides. You can give name P, Q, R, S, A, B, C, D. Anything is depend on you. Now draw its diagonal. Up diagonal means what, students? That in previous video I explained. If you join the line of opposite angle, this angle P, this is angle R, this is angle S, this is angle Q, R. If you join the opposite vertex, clear? So you will form diagonal. So what is opposite vertex? S and Q are the opposite vertex, and R and Q are also the opposite vertex. Now this is your diagonal. Of what is given? Name them. Give the name A or anything else you can give. I am giving A. Is the meeting point of the diagonal in the exterior or interior of the diagonal? So you can say interior means, student, what? Inside, or exterior means outside, here, anywhere. So A is the meeting point of the both diagonal. It is lie in the exterior or interior. So you can say that the meeting point of the diagonals lies in the interior of what? Quadrilateral. Clear, students? Quadrilateral. Now, so A is the meeting point of the both diagonal, and this lie in the interior of the quadrilateral. Clear, students? This is D. Quadrilaterals. Clear, students? Now, next question is, draw a rough sketch of quadrilateral KLMN and state. So again you have to draw the quadrilateral. So here I am drawing. Quadrilateral means simply, student, having diagram having four line segment. So you can draw an other type of diagram. So what is given? Draw a rough sketch of quadrilateral KLMN. So write down K L M N. Acha, one important thing, it is not necessary I am starting here K, so you will also start from K. You can also write on here what? You can start here K L M N. K L M N. From anywhere you can start. Now what is given? Two pair of opposite side. So yesterday I explained, student, opposite side. Here you can see KL is opposite to NM. So what you can write down? K L and M N. And what you can write down? K N and M L. Clear, students? Now two pair of opposite angle, student, given. Opposite angle, you know that this is angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. So opposite of K is M. So you can write down angle K and angle M, and next angle L. Sorry, students. Angle L and angle n. Clear students? Next, two pair of adjacent sides. Adjacent side means you know that having common vertex, so you can write down like, जैसे if you see this kn and kl, so having common vertex k. Clear students? So you can write down kn and what? kl. First, another what you can write down? kl and lm. kl and lm. It is clear? Acha, another here we want only two. If I want to know third one, so what will be third one? You can write on lm and mn. Fourth one, m and n n k. Clear students? Now next question. Two pair of adjacent angle. Ab adjacent angle means same concept you will use, having what? Common line. So you can write down angle k and angle n, or what you can write down? Angle k and angle k and angle L also, because both k and L also on same line. You can see another what you can write down? L and m. Another what you can write down? M and n. Clear students? So this is about NCERT. Now the question which I left, based on same concept, you will do yourself. Clear student? So thank you. Students, here correct it. This is quadrilateral. Q U A